Hi guys, this is Pano. Finally, it's tomorrow is opening day for hunting, so I'm on my way there. I delayed so much. It's like I don't know what time. It's like 8 o'clock at night on August 31st, and I left many things to be done today. And I was rushing to get them done, and I haven't even set up camp yet. Hopefully my friends are there already. I'm not sure if they are. It's about 45 minutes drive from my house to where I'm hunting. One of the spots anyway. And I don't know, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I can't wait. I can't wait to get in the woods, and I prepared a lot through the summer. So I can't wait to get back to my summer spots and my summer scouts that I did. I didn't want to post everything to keep you guys more interested and stuff. This is how the area looks like. I'm gonna kind of go with me. It's like this is the road we're driving in. It's like a dirt road. It's very rough now, especially it was raining. It's raining for 2 days now. So let's see how the spot is gonna be. So talk to you guys soon when I get there and I set up. And I don't know how much filming I'm gonna do tonight, but I don't want to bore you with setting up camp and overnighters, and we'll just stay in task, right? It's hunting videos and stuff like that. So talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Pano again. We're out, we split up earlier, so I was in a different spot than my friends, and I spotted a doe and I was after it. And right, I was after it, I heard a call from I heard a shot, and then they text me and they're like, they got a deer. So I'm gonna get there and see what they got, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, so I got Jared. Let's go find the deer, Jared. Let's go. So how was it?
I had a good shot. Saw the deer. So I took my time.
Did he ran this way?
Ran down in the back here.
That's the first time Jared is hunting without by himself. That's his first kill, probably, to find it.
The grass is all down.
I don't see any blood though, buddy.
No, I got it, man.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You know those times that when you hit a deer and you're like, I got it.
No.
I don't know if we're gonna find it in here. This is thick stuff.
Lay down spot right there.
You get my rifle out because you never know.
No, it's one of those shots you gotta be close.
I don't see any blood, buddy.
No, man.
No blood whatsoever.
Oh, right here, look at that.
Yep, there's blood.
Tons.
Alright, that's good.
Blood here.
Okay, so you guys see, he shot the deer there, there's no blood. So always you gotta take the trail where you think it went. And you might not see blood all the way there, but as soon as it stopped and caught its breath, we seen the blood. Okay, good job, sir. So now,
All right.
Now we have to track it and find it.
Blood here. Oh, look at that.
There's some bone fragment. Shoulder, guaranteed. You got it 100%, Jared.
No,
Won't be.
blood that was? Right here too, look. Holy God. Definitely sure you get that. Oh yeah, lots of blood here. Everywhere. Oh yeah, now she's bleeding good.
Yeah, coming out. Oh man, it doesn't.
Look at that. Right here, Jeff. Yeah.
Yeah, Jared, good job, man.
Good job, buddy.
Oh.
Cut its throat.
Hey, make sure it's dead. You don't want it to jump up.
Oh yeah. See some blood here, so this is probably where it came in right here. Oh yeah, lots of blood right here. Look at that, you can see right on the green. Perfect shot. You're right, that shoulder, man. You can see right there's the spot right there, entry wound. Perfect. Nice dog. Textbook right there, guys.
Good job, Jared. Alright, we're gonna move that dough and we're gonna field dress it real quick. I might take some footage of that and see you guys in camp. Alright, first thing we're gonna have to put the tag. You don't want to cut the Achilles tendon because this is where we're gonna hang the deer. So we're gonna make a hole in here. I'm gonna use the Sportsman for this gutting, and then Jared is gonna use his knife for the. We'll see. I'll help him too. We'll do it together. So first thing, you gotta put your tags. Okay, that's his tag number. That's the tag. You glue the two knobs together. Take your garbage. Alright, Jared, grab it. See that arm? The leg is gone, but she still was going. So now you gotta find where the ribs end. And you gotta put your hand where it's hard and then it starts getting soft. So right here, and you feel this split. So you grab this and you insert your knife in. There, come this way, Jeff. So now I just took the skin out. So I'm gonna bring the knife up. Bring the knife up. And I'm gonna go down. Okay, now I see the stomach. You want to avoid the stomach. I nicked it a little bit, but that's fine. Put your knife in, finger in the bottom, and keep running it. See, with the right technique and the right knife, there's no mark anywhere on the vitals. And this knife is a razor. Alright, so now I'm going to move a little bit up. I won't cut the bone. I won't leave the bone, the ribs here. I want to keep that deer clean. It's going to be for food. So I'm going to pull the guts out. We're going to have to cut the butthole, what I was telling you guys. Okay?
Last time I cut the bone, I chipped my knife.
Yeah. All right, so this
Was
is
it a
the
William
butt.
Collins?
No, it's Bark River 3V.
This is the butt. We go outside. She might pee, let her pee. It's fine. Even if you cut here, it's okay. Okay, so now everything is loose on this side. We only have the throat, so now we have to take all the guts out, and we're gonna get to that in a minute. Okay, so we'll stop for now. I don't want to get in too deep into it. It might look not good for filming. When I have it all cleaned up, this is the basic steps. Step 1, step 2. When we finish field dressing the deer, I'm gonna get back to you guys.